Hi, and welcome to Kimberly Cruises. It's good to see you this day, and I am excited to tell you that I am going on an epic adventure, and I want to share with you some new things that I am bringing with me on this cruise, things that I have never brought with me before. So these are some new things that are going in my bag. Number one is the Aloderma 99% natural aloe vera. I use aloe vera at home a lot because it really helps with any kind of like sun reaction or abrasions. This is almost like bringing an aloe vera plant with you. It's absolutely remarkable. I love it. So this stuff is pure. All of the links are down below. I bought everything on Amazon. So if you want to get these products too, you can do that. Earth Kind, Stay Away Mosquitoes. This stuff is really fantastic. Again, I tried everything before I'm packing it because my skin is very sensitive. And I don't know if you remember, but I had a really bad reaction to some sunscreen on one of my cruises on the MSC Meraviglia, and I broke out on all these little bumps. It was terrible. This right here is fantastic. It's Earth Kind Stay Away Mosquitoes. I am bringing this because I have to protect myself. I'm going to the Western Caribbean and of course Miami. They have mosquitoes too. All different countries, rainy season. The most important is Costa Rica because Costa Rica is number 2 on the CDC list for malaria. Yes, I've done all of my malaria stuff that I need to do. I have my medication. I'm going to be taking it. I start actually on Friday. But this is important. It really helps with ticks and may help with Zika and all different types of stuff. So it's important. Also, I'm going to Jamaica, I think like 3 times, and they're having a major dengue outbreak. And cover yourself in mosquito repellent. I think that's super important. Also, I am a big Neutrogena fan. I've always used their sun cream products. They've always done well on my skin. And this is for your face. It is mineral UV tint face liquid. This is in medium, perfect color for my skin. I've already tried it out. It was perfect. It lasted a long time. Of course, you should always reapply. I only get 30 because I always wear a hat and sunglasses, and of course protection on my lips too. So this is some good stuff. It's good. And lastly, I got this wonderful smelling Saphus citrus and orange shampoo bar and conditioner. I love this. I love MSC Cruises, but I do not like their shampoo that they have in their showers. This is fantastic. It's easy to pack. It smells really good. In fact, it makes my entire luggage smell fantastic. I feel really good because it comes in a container that's easy to recycle. I have really thick curly hair. This lathers up wonderfully, leaves my hair nice, but doesn't weigh down my curls. So this is definitely a promise. I think that's all I have for now. I don't want to overwhelm you. I do have more things, but I'll share them a little bit at a time. I'm leaving like, I think in 10 days. So it's coming up really fast. I hope you can spend time with me on my cruise. I'm going to be posting some shorts. I'm going to be posting some long videos, maybe after I'm done. But I have all these excursions coming up. It's just going to be fabulous. It's going to be fantastic. So I hope you're with me, and I will see you on the cruise ship. Peace.